Hey guys, it's lesson 30 and let's start off with review from the previous week's lesson first, which was determining whether to add or subtract. So question number one says, how much money would you need to buy a toy robot and a Barbie? We learned that last week. The and is a keyword for a positive or a plus sign. So if the toy robot is 46 cents and then the Barbie is 78 cents, then we're supposed to add these two up. 46 plus 78. Add the ones first. 6 plus 8. What is that? If you said 14, you are correct. 14. Add the tens place to the next, to the tens place. So, 1 plus 4 plus 7 is what? If you said 12, that is correct. So that means in total, the toy robot and the Barbie together equal 124 cents or $1.24. So we would put a dollar sign here. Or we would do 124 cents. Like that. Okay, next, let's do one more review problem. This problem says you have 83 cents. You buy chocolate. How much money do you have left? We learned that if we already know the total that we have, and then we have the keyword of left, that means it's a negative. Because money has been taken away, so you have to calculate how much money is left. So this would be a minus sign. The chocolate costs 27 cents, so we would subtract 83 cents from 27 cents. Or we would subtract 27 cents from 83 cents. Like that. We subtract the ones first. Oh, look. 7 cannot go into 3, so then we cross 1 tens off. This 8 turns into 7. And then this ones place turns into 13. Ones place of a 3 turns into 13. So if we do 13 minus 7, what would that be? If you said 6, you're correct. 6 here. And then 7 minus 2 would be 5. That means after buying the chocolate, you have 56 cents left. Okay. Now let's go back up. This is today's lesson, which is using multiplication to find the missing factor. The example is 2 times blank equals 6. And we can just put 2 times 3 equals 6 because we already know that 2 goes into 6 3 times. Okay, find the missing factor to fill in the blank. What times 2 equals 8? Well, let's try counting in our head. So first, 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 2 times 4, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, equals 8. So the blank would be 4. Number 2. 4 times 2 equals what? When this, we can just count 2 4s, which would be 4 plus 4, and that equals 8. It's also the same problem as this, so we can just relate the two problems, and we already know that 8 is in the end. Okay. Let's try a trickier, bigger number. Number 9. 5 times blank equals 20. Well, let's first count the multiples of 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2, which is 5 plus 5, equals 10. And then 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, equals 20. So our missing number is 4. Now, let's try some word problems. Okay. This is also, from the previous lesson. A cupcake is 39 cents and an apple is 23 cents. How much money would you need to buy a cupcake and an apple? That keyword "and" is there, therefore the sign will be positive. We add 39 and 23. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Put the ones place there, carry the tens place over. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, which equals 60 in the tens place. That means that a cupcake and an apple both cost 62 cents together. Okay, number 2, you have 76 cents, you buy a bag of grapes, that is 57 cents. How much money do you have left? Well, we already know that left means that you have to subtract, right? This is the total, and this is the value of how much you bought. You have to subtract the value of how much you bought from the total. So you would do 76 cents minus 57 cents. We can't subtract 7 from 6, so we carry a tens place over like this, cross off the 7, replace it with the 6, and then carry the tens place over, which makes 16. 16 minus 7 equals 9, and then 6 minus 5 equals 19. So there is 19 cents left after buying a bag of grapes.